If equipped, the Forward Collision Warning System, or FCW, can warn you about potential front-end collisions. FCW uses data from the front sensors, electronic brake controller, and wheel speed sensors to calculate a probable collision. When the system decides a forward collision is probable, it delivers audio and visual warnings and a possible brake jerk warning. If the driver does not take action based upon these progressive warnings, the system can provide limited braking to mitigate a forward collision. If a possible forward collision is detected while towing a trailer, the available integrated trailer brake controller will apply the trailer brakes if equipped. If a forward collision is no longer probable, the warning deactivates. Other objects, like guardrails or signposts, can trigger these warnings too, especially when driving on a curve. This is normal FCW function. Remember, FCW is not designed to avoid a collision on its own, and it can't detect every possible type of collision. The driver has the responsibility to avoid a collision by braking and steering. You can turn FCW on or off and adjust the sensitivity in your touchscreen. If equipped, pedestrian emergency braking is part of FCW. It provides audible and visual warnings and may apply automatic braking when a collision with a pedestrian is detected. If PEB stops the vehicle completely, the system will hold the vehicle at a standstill for 2 seconds and then release the brakes. PEB can be turned on or off in the Uconnect display. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.